Hi. The Rajasthan politics getting murkier now. Congress tried to bring in BJP into this issue without any basis. You all know those things. In fact, it was a rift within the Congress between Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot. A group of Congress MLAs left Rajasthan, came to Haryana, requested the state government protection, and they're staying in a resort in Haryana. It was an internal issue of the Congress party. BJP has nothing to do with that. But Congress tried to bring in BJP into this issue. The AICC spokesman and leaders of the Rajasthan Congress alleged that BJP leaders are involved in this issue. They have brought out an audio tape saying that belongs to that of a conversation between an union minister and a Rajasthan BJP leader. The BJP leader and the union minister has denied it. They have nothing to do with that. They have never spoke like that. And they have also demanded an inquiry into this issue. But another development has taken place this morning. BJP central leadership has demanded a CBI inquiry into this audio tape issue. Here, the congressman, especially the AICC spokesman, has been claiming that the audio tape belongs to a union minister and it's an original one. Had it been so, now it is for the Congress to explain as to how they got the audio tape. Whether the Rajasthan government has tapped the telephone of the BJP leaders, including Union Minister. Whether anybody has given sanction to the Rajasthan government officials to tap the phone of the politicians. Whether the Rajasthan government has any right to tap the phone of the union ministers. All these issues are to be inquired into seriously. That's the demand of the BJP. No doubt. This will create problems within the Congress more. The Congress High Command will have to explain as to how they tap the phone of a union minister. The Rajasthan Congress leaders, including the Chief Minister, will have to explain as to how they tap the phone of an union minister and other BJP leaders. Here we have to remember one thing. There is a standard office procedure, an SOP, to tap the telephone of the people of this country. Only the Union Home Secretary can give sanction for that purpose. Only the Union Home Secretary. And these tappings can be done only through 9 or 10 central agencies. That is Enforcement Directorate, CBI, NIA. Like that. There are 9 or 10 agencies are there. Customs, Narcotic Bureau, DRI, RAW, IB, they can do that. But that too only with the permission of the Union Home Secretary. When BJP raises this issue, I'm sure that the Union Home Secretary has never given such a permission. Not only that, Union Home Ministry will never give a permission to the Rajasthan police or Rajasthan government for doing this. So the issue is illegal phone tapping, that too of a union minister. It's not an easy issue to be tackled for the Rajasthan people or the Congress people. Here, one thing more we have to remember. It was AICC spokesman who has told the media, and it was he released the audio tapes saying that that belongs to an union, belongs to the conversation of an union minister. So naturally, the inquiry will lead to the AICC also. AICC means it's Sonia Gandhi and and her Kotori. Now it is for the Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, and all others to reply as to whether they have got permission to tap the telephone of the BJP leaders or the central ministries. I'm sure, I'm confident that with this allegation, central government will institute an inquiry. Central government will institute an inquiry, maybe by the NIA or CBI, into this alleged phone tapping. If so, naturally that will lead to Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, I am afraid. That won't restrict on Gehlot or Surjewala. Had this been done, had this phone tapping has been done, it's illegal, and it should have been done only with the connivance of the Sonia Parivar. That's my presumption. It is for the Congress to deny it, or Congress party to come out clean on this issue. Anyway, the Rajasthan political issues is taking a turn. Congress again being in the dock. Let us see where this inquiry will go, what the Congress will explain. They cannot. Already yesterday, the Rajasthan police has reached Haryana to investigate the issue. Among the 18 or 19 MLAs staying in Haryana resort, there were reports that they were going to Delhi also to question the union minister. Rajasthan police may have that right. They may have got court orders for inquiring into those things. But they will have to explain as to how they tap the phone of an union minister. Let us see where that BJP's demand will reach. Thank you all. Thank you very much.